Luxury can be defined as a comfortable life that people don't avoid living. It exists in all areas of life, and for some, it is the goal to be achieved in a way. You too may have planned to take a luxury vacation at least once in a certain period of your life. I have brought together 10 luxury hotels in the world with private pools, butler services, massage parlors, and many more advantages for you. Let's examine these luxury hotels together and take a little tour of these hotels. Number 1. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. It was built in 1999 with titles such as the world's first 7-star hotel and the world's most luxury hotel. Built on an artificially constructed island off the coast of Dubai's white sandy beaches. The Burj Al Arab is an all-suite hotel consisting of 2002 luxury duplexes, double-deckers ranging from approximately 1070 to 7080 square meters. There is a complimentary and extensive selection of toiletries and an extra bath menu with a butler to explain the different options. With its 6 luxury restaurants, rooftop helipad, Rolls-Royce shuttle service from the airport, 24-karat gold leaf, the hotel managed to draw you in from and you follow the events with admiration. The architecture of the hotel is in the shape of a dove that can be spotted from miles away and is one of a kind. Moreover, even more interestingly, you can access all guest services and hotel information 24 hours a day with the 27-karat gold plate iPads provided to all guests. Number 2. The Palms, Las Vegas. While there are many luxury buildings on the Las Vegas Strip, the Palms has a unique feel to it. The penthouse suites at the Palms have hosted some of the highest profile parties Las Vegas has ever seen and are designed with entertainment in mind. With penthouses, villas, and themed suites, the resort has a luxury style to suit all tastes. For example, Sky Villa, as luxurious as a hotel room can be. This 8,500 square foot place features a 17-person bar, fitness center, massage room, playing ground, private pool overlooking the Vegas lights, and much more. Next to this, there is the so-called Hardwood Suite, a 10,000 square meter arena with a private basketball court, professional locker room, pool table, whiskey room, and 11 televisions. Number 3. The Plaza, New York City. It was built in 1907. It is known as a New York icon, welcoming world leaders, high-ranking diplomats, and Hollywood royalty. That alone makes it stand out from the rest. The Plaza offers one-of-a-kind rooms and suites that go above and beyond to provide guests with a unique and luxury experience. For example, Tower Room. It has a dramatic 23 square foot brick ceiling. Then there is the Fitzgerald Suite King, designed by Oscar-winning designer Catherine Martin as a tribute to the jazz age and F. Scott Fitzgerald. Number 4. Rancho Valencia Resort and Spa, California. Located among the rolling hills of Southern California, Rancho Valencia Resort and Spa offers its guests a quiet holiday away from the crowds with its lush atmosphere. In addition to its world-famous tennis program, innovative cuisine, and a spa that is said to be rejuvenating, it offers you many more opportunities. The property got a new look in 2013 with a $30 million renovation. From hand-painted tiles to special furniture, a brand new restaurant awaits its guests with its bar. Number 5. Mandarin Oriental, Hong Kong. The unrecognized flagship in the heart of Hong Kong offers guests a welcoming place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. It has 501 rooms and suites. You can watch the beautiful view of Victoria Harbour from the balconies extending to both sides. Combining traditional service with stylish contemporary design, excellent food, and cutting-edge amenities, Mandarin Oriental is definitely one of the most luxury hotels in the world. The space appeals to both leisure and business travelers by combining top-quality business facilities with comfortable room environments. The Inn at Little Washington, Virginia. If you want to meet with delicious food and a quiet holiday at the foot of the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Inn at Washington meets your expectations. It has 24 rooms, suites, and cottages, and the furnishings are large but oddly comfortable. As stated at the beginning, what makes this place special is mostly the food. It is home to the only 3-star Michelin restaurant in Virginia. It is a place described by guests as extraordinary in every way, with its innovative and simple cuisine that draws on the fresh blessing of the Mid-Atlantic region. Number 7. Four Seasons Private Island, Maldives. Nothing is more luxurious than having your own island. The Four Seasons Maldives in Voa is like the literal meaning of seclusion. The island includes a beach house with a capacity of 22 guests and 7 luxury suites. Even though you are on an island, all expenses have been incurred so that you don't become a stranger. Guests can use Voa Summer, which consists of a luxury yacht of 62 square meters, a 24-hour private security team, and 28 personnel to make all their dreams come true. Number 8. Marquise, Los Cabos, Mexico. A quiet getaway in Mexico. This place has everything you need. It is known as an adults-only facility. The world-class spa, tranquil infinity pools, elevated restaurants, and attentive guest service are there to provide an experience that is sure to create lasting memories. In addition to the luxury suite, the private cottages have plenty of amenities, such as gardens, roof terraces. It is also located right next to the ocean and offers guests breathtaking sunset views of Cabo. Number 9. Titanic Mardin Palace, Turkey. It is said to be one of the most luxurious hotels on the Mediterranean coast. Experience more than 30 dining options, a championship golf course, water sports activities, entertainment options, and a world-class spa at this sprawling hotel. While some luxurious options are for adults only, it is an ideal destination for families seeking a sparkling vacation. For teenagers, there is a huge kids club with a 5-acre pool complex, playground, and water park. The architectural design of Titanic Mardin Palace is one of a kind. It pays homage to 4 of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, highlighted by a huge Dolmabahce lobby, which evokes the atmosphere of an ostentatious palace, with its 5-story high glass ceiling and a monumental staircase. Number 10. La Reverse, Paris. Named Europe's #1 hotel by US News and World Report, it is a luxury hotel that combines antique decor with modern elegance. It offers luxury amenities in a relaxed setting, including 2 restaurants, a pool, spa, library, and even a hidden smoking room. Rooms feature TVs hidden behind antique mirrors, antique writing desks, and linens with guest initials to preserve the elegant atmosphere. True to its heritage, the estate also boasts a curated collection of over 1,500 wines in its well-appointed wine cellar. People's definition of luxury varies. That's why I try to prepare hotels with various features from various places as much as possible for you in this video. Don't forget to share with me the hotel that you remember the most or that you want to visit the most in the comments section. See you in a new video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.